Yeah, we got a #1 victory royale. Shindo life, we about to get down. 10 grip on the board right now. Just wiped out Akuma town. My squad mate just got down. Our team healed them, they're heading haze bound. Now we're in the nimbus speed. Look at the mark, go to the mark sheet. Take me to your PC to play Shindo live today. You can take me to Ember, but not Obelisk Lake. I really want to cheese it with you. We can be pro Shindo ninjas, pro Shindo ninjas. He said, hey Rell Games, got any more spin codes? The next update is dropping fast and I'm only at 1 spin. Hey RellSorry, was riding my new Ferrari. The code will be RellSoon, but the update's not released quite yet. There's a code that's just right there. The genkai's coming fast and you need more spins to prepare. I've got Robux that I'll spend more than you can contend. I'm a cool pro Shindo ninja, cool pro Shindo ninja. Take me to your PC to play Shindo live today. You can take me to Ember, but not Obelisk Lake. I really want to cheese him with you. We can be pro Shindo ninjas. La 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 yeah. La 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 yeah. La 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 yeah. You be my pro Shindo ninja, pro Shindo ninja. Can we get a win this weekend? Take me to Dune's Cave. Let's change the game mode and we can play Arena X today. Let's hop on a treetop. Take me to the raid. I'm running kinda low on G. I need to charge it, okay. Dressed in all his ember clothes. He's got free god tier genkais, but he's probably spec carried though. He just shook in my back. I turn back and I attack. I just got a victory royale. A victory royale. Take me to your PC to play Shindo live today. You can take me to Ember, but not Obelisk Lake. I really want to cheese him with you. We can be pro Shindo ninjas.